Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be trimming, maybe cutting my hair. I've been growing my undercut out now for almost a year. It'll be a year in September, and as you can see it's gotten pretty long. I will show you a roundabout now that it's straightened. Right, so oh god, I was very certain I was gonna cut it until I straightened it, and now it's just so long. I'm kind of sad to cut it, but I definitely need to trim it. So as you can see under here, the side undercut, it's grown a lot, but it is still too short. I don't want to cut it that short, but I was thinking, since I have this guide, of cutting it to there, because when I wear it down you see this hair and it's very annoying to me. So if I did that, roughly we'd be looking at like this length, which is cute. The ends are just so frazzled also from all the coloring and all the things I've done. And I did have a mullet, which you can kind of see how this is still way shorter. It's very thin here because I texturize it and thin my ends out, so I like to wear extensions, and because it's hot. But I just feel like that looks so bad, and if I cut it to here, I would approximately be cutting, let's see, something like that off the front, which I could certainly use. So I want it to be a little bit longer in the front than the back. I've had this long back for so long, and it's cute, it served its purpose, but I'm over it. So I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair where only a little bit of the longer part falls over. Yeah, like that. So you can see, so I can still see my guide when I flip it. And I'm gonna pin, or I'm gonna clip, I guess, rather, this up. I have a mirror here, sorry if this is a weird angle. Okay, so I'm gonna part, oh gosh, I'm not really sure how to tackle this. I think the best way would be to pull down and then kind of look and see where the long parts are. Yeah, so that's kind of, I can feel that that's where the shorter hairs are. So if we cut right in there, we're gonna cut all this stuff off. So let's do that again. So I'm gonna go ahead. This is very awkward. So I can see in my mirror. I think actually I might do it, start it like this so I can get a better guide. Normally, yes, you'd use a comb, but my hair is super straight right now. Okay, it has to be done, guys. It has to. I cannot see. So since that was just a little bit, I'm gonna see where that length is. Yeah, I guess that's where it's gonna be. Oh, so sad. It's so much growth. So long. Don't get me wrong, like, it needs to be done. I probably wouldn't choose to cut it all off right now. And then I'm kind of just taking it straight. Okay, like all of this is going down my back. Ooh. Hopefully this will be pretty straight. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy. I'm not really worried about it being perfect because I really just don't care that much. Honestly, I do so much with my hair is really why. Because I change it so much and I put extensions in and out, in and out. Even if I screwed up my haircut a little bit, it's not gonna be the end of my world. So I'm just gonna kind of take a smaller section in the back. And I'm doing this by feel because I can't see anywhere. That's a good amount. Even-ish. And then I am gonna pull everything back because, like I said, I would like to have a little angle in the front. This is coming out a little too long on the front, but we can go back and edit that always. So don't worry about that too much. Okay. Back, this should be the last back section. Okay, so now we're down to the sides. A lot easier because now you can kind of see where we're at. So I think I want to take that much. Gosh, it's bad lighting in here. Cute. Okay, I think of like that length. So I'm gonna do my best to imitate it on this side now. Okay, so that looks pretty even to me. I might texturize back here a little bit. I'm not gonna do that today though. I do wanna put a little bit of a wave in it, so I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. All right, you guys, so this is it. I put on a white shirt just so you could see it a little better. But I think it's super freaking cute and it'll do while I'm still growing my hair out. I'll go ahead and show you now. Perfect. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.